What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Strap for Cash Garage. I thought I'd bring you guys along as I replaced the power valve in my Caprice. It's a Holley style carburetor, 4150 style. It's a quick fuel Slayer 650 vacuum secondary. It's the one with only one metering block on it. Just thought I'd bring you guys along, show you how to replace one, and then at the end of the video I'll talk a little bit about picking how you can kind of gauge picking the right size, some methods, and I have two on the table here. I'll show you guys an example. So let's go hop out to the car and let's get this thing replaced. Hey, so we're back in the garage. I thought I'd just take a second to explain to you guys how I pick power valves, and have been doing it for a while. I read about this a little while ago. It works really well, at least for like kind of stock mild engines. I've been having a lot of luck with it. Really simple. Just take your idle vacuum, if it's an automatic with it in gear like mine, and I'll just use mine for an example. So what I have in the carburetor is a 6.5 power valve. But I was checking my idle vacuum and I have 15 inches. So what you do is basically take your idle vacuum and divide it by 2. So in my application, you divide 15 by 2 and you get 7.5. So I'd be running a 7.5 power valve. Just another example, say you have like an even number. Like say your car's a bit more radical than mine, you're running 8 inches at idle, divide that by 2 and you get 4, but they don't sell a 4, so you go to the next lowest, which is 3.5. and I've just been finding that it works pretty well. Been having a lot of luck with it, at least with my applications, so that's something to consider. Anyway, let me get this one swapped out. I'll show you guys how to do that, and then we'll get this carburetor put back on the car. So the actual removal and replacement of the power valve couldn't be any more straightforward. It's on your metering plate here. On mine at least I needed a little wrench to break it loose. Once you have that busted loose, it's as simple as unscrewing the old one, removing your gasket. You'll want to come in here and clean up the gasket for the sake of the video. I'll do that after this. Then you want to take your new valve and gasket. Just want to make sure that the gasket sits on here. I've had them kind of like fall cockeyed, get cinched down, and not seal right. So just want to make sure that that goes on there and stays like that during the install. My gasket already moved around, but anyway. There you go. Just snug that down a little bit, and we'll go throw this back on the car. Anyway, I'm by no means a tuning expert or expert mechanic. I just literally wanted to show you, if you're a jabroni like me, that you can throw some wrenches around, tinker around, have some fun on your car, and learn a few things along the way. So I'm sure there's a better video out there explaining this, but just thought I'd make it, just show you guys. Pretty simple to do. Maybe make it a little less intimidating, tearing into a carburetor. I know I was when I first tore apart my first quadrijet back in the day. And anyway, let's go throw this carburetor. Got some new gaskets on there. Let's go throw it back on the car. With that reinstalled, last thing to do, we just filled the float bowls, is start it and check it for any leaks. So let's see if it'll fire up. Well, there you have it. Got everything put back together, no leaks, so I just need to take it for a spin around the block and make sure everything's good. But yeah, hope this helps some of you out. If you stumble across this video, it's a pretty straightforward process. There's a bunch of other great videos on how to do it, and even if you just Google it, a ton of great articles on how to do it. So there's a bunch of different ways. This was just one of them I read about back a long time ago, and I've been using with some luck. So I hope this helped you out, and yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope to see you in the next one. As always, thanks for watching, everybody.